Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a charming cartoon ghost, step by step. We'll begin by sketching the basic body shape. Imagine an upside-down letter U, but with a bit more character. Make the bottom edge a little wavy, giving your ghost a playful, ethereal feel. This simple foundation is key to a friendly spirit. Next, let's give our ghost a head and some tiny arms. Connect the open top of your U-shape with a gentle, curved line to form the head. Then, on either side, add two small, rounded arm stubs. These should be short and slightly raised, suggesting a friendly wave or a little float. Now for the most important part, the face. Give your ghost two large, expressive oval eyes near the top of its head. Inside each, draw a smaller black circle for the pupils, perhaps looking slightly to one side. Finish with a small, open mouth, like a gentle smile or a soft boo. To complete your cartoon ghost, carefully erase any initial sketch lines, leaving a clean, crisp outline. For a touch of dimension, add some subtle shading just under the head or arms. You might also include a faint, wavy trail at the bottom to suggest it's floating gracefully. Your friendly ghost is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.